Here we have two 3D plots. The left plot is of the reported data provided by the Department of Health, and the right plot is the model's predicted fit for the data. Each of the colors represent a different stage of the pandemic. Green represents the time before the Delta surge, blue represents the Delta surge, yellow represents the time in between the Delta and Omicron surge, purple represents the Omicron surge, orange represents the time between Omicron and the Omicron BA.2 surge, and red represents the Omicron BA.2 surge. If we were to overlap the two graphs, it would look like this. We can see that the model's predicted fit of the reported data fits pretty well. By having the date on the height axis, the infection count on the depth axis, and the hospitalization count on the width axis, we notice that this upward spiral shape is created. Viewing the graph at a different angle, we can see the spiraling better. In addition, we can see that the Omicron variant in purple extends much further than the Delta variant in blue. This is due to the significant increase in the number of cases that was experienced with the Omicron variant compared to the Delta variant. However, as we saw from the initial angle, that although there was an increase in the number of cases with the Omicron variant, the number of hospitalization cases was about the same as the Delta variant. What this tells us is that although Omicron was more infectious than Delta, symptoms experienced by the Omicron variant were less severe. We also can see which direction the red part of the spiral is approaching. Based on the previous angle, we can predict how the red part of the spiral can go. As the red part was turning, we can imagine that the infection count has previously peaked, and the hospitalization count has or will peak very soon. We can predict the rest of the red part will continue like this. Viewing it from the side angle, it'll look like this. Viewing it from the above angle will look like this. And what we forecast for the future is that this spiral trend will continue as new waves or variants appear over time.